Hello and welcome. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, on this channel we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects. In this video, we bring to you affordable housing units on Bechtel Street in Cambridge, built entirely using shipping containers. Welcome back. These new single-bedroom apartments on Bechtel Street in Cambridge were built by the Region of Waterloo to provide affordable housing accommodation for seniors. The containers were fabricated off-site in a workshop, then trucked to site and hoisted onto a concrete foundation with some crawl space. This two-story project was built using 16 shipping containers to accommodate 6 residential units. Containers on the upper story are recessed backwards to create a sheltered entryway on the ground floor level, while a covered veranda on the upper story. The residential units on the 2 stories are designed to be accessed in a front-back orientation, whereby the residential units on the ground floor level are accessed on the opposite direction to the first floor apartment units. Each housing unit is built using 3 20-foot shipping containers placed side by side and stitched together to create 408 square feet of habitable space. Out of the 6 housing units, 2 units on the ground floor level are designed to be accessible for people with disabilities. A wooden painted front door ushers you into an impressive entrance lobby with a linen closet. The home is finished to high quality standards with lots of natural lighting and low maintenance features. The lobby opens into an open plan living space with a bright and snazzy kitchen space, nicely decked out with essential kitchen appliances, quartz countertops, enough overhead and under the counter storage cabinets, plus an under the counter washer cum dryer. Next to the kitchen is a simple dining area that can sit 2 or 4 depending on the configuration. The lounge space features 2 cozy leather couches, coffee table, and a big glass window that drenches the lounge space with ample daylighting, creating an illusion of a well-lit open-plan living space with unrestricted views of the outdoors. Of the living room, a white painted swing door opens into a master bedroom. The master bedroom has a comfortable double bed with ample pillows for a peaceful night rest and built-in closet. Equally, the master bedroom has a big picture window that creates a well-lit indoor space. Off the kitchen area is a lavish bathroom. The bathroom is a nice modern space fitted with a lined shower cubicle, a toilet, a vanity with enough storage cabinets, and a big bathroom mirror that creates a feeling of a big, spacious bathroom. The interior of these amazing container units is framed and insulated, and none of the corrugated container walls are visible anywhere on the inside. The house is finished with vinyl flooring, which gives the indoor spaces a sleek, modern look. A single-flight steel staircase on the side of the building connects to the first floor story. The upper story is served by a covered porch fronting the 3 housing units. From outside, there is no single hint this amazing project is built using shipping containers. The shipping containers are covered with exterior siding in two different shades, with a brown shade for the ground floor units and a lighter color on the upper units. The apartments are fitted with a proper roof above the shipping containers to keep off harsh weather elements. Which part of this amazing shipping container project appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video or this kind of content, you are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel for weekly videos on shipping container projects featured from all over the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.